1 Corinthians 11:26. For whenever you eat this bread and drink this cup, you proclaim the Lord death until he comes.
You crying. Don't get it twisted, I can play this game too. How would you like it if I did the same to you, yeah. You don't like it, now you're telling me that I should fight it. Why you be out here playing the victim?
Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel once again. I'm doing a little natural, like, type of everyday makeup look. Not natural, but like an everyday makeup look that y'all can do for everyday. You feel me? But yeah, stay tuned. Wait, not stay tuned. Keep watching the video if y'all want to see how I created this look. I hate hearing bloopers, but created this look, okay? So thank y'all. Yeah, now let's get into the video. I have finished doing my eyebrows already, you guys. So now you want to drink some water, because you do not want your face to be dry. You want it to be so silky, so wet. Not wet, but like, hydrated when you're doing your makeup. It makes a big difference. So add this to your makeup routine. Now I'm taking these facial wipes that I had got from Dollar Tree. I can't even see the name. Barlow. I had seen this in Target, but then I looked inside Dollar Tree. It's $1, and Target was like $4 to $5. But it's $1 in Dollar Tree. That's why y'all need to go to Dollar Tree, because they got everything for $1. Like, they be having everything, all the brands and stuff. But you just gotta make sure it's not like had lead and all that stuff. Like, make sure. But still, they got all that brand and stuff in there. I know y'all can see my hair. It's kind of faded and stuff right now, but damn, I'm surprised I want my natural hair on camera. Like, what is going on? Here, I'm taking my orange LA Girl Concealer Color Corrector. I'm sorry, y'all. To correct them dark circles around my mouth, around my face, so it won't be peeping out through the foundation. That's why we color correct. So it won't peep out when you. Oh my god. Get my words straight. So you won't see it through your foundation. That's what I'm trying to say. I'm trying to find my beauty blender right here to blend that thing out. Yep. Oh yeah, y'all make sure y'all like wet your beauty blender, but squeeze it all right for it. It's so soft and it's so like damp, because when you damp your beauty blender inside water, your foundation be so smooth to come on, like put on and everything. But you just want to blend. That's the key when you blend. Yeah, blend that, girl. Come on. Alright, now put the thing down. Dang, she about to blend my skin off. Ooh. Dang. What video should I make this? An everyday makeup tutorial? Should I? I don't know. I had sprayed my face a little bit more to make that thing back wet again. What I'm doing now? What I'm doing? Y'all see my candle in the background? Ooh. I'm putting a cover over me if I want to drop stuff over me. I got my Milani right here. I'm using my with this little flat brush to apply my foundation onto my face. You gotta get under your nose. You gotta get everywhere. Yep. Just keep on painting. Right now, I'm using my beauty blender to blend my face out. Blend it out. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Just keep blending. Just keep on blending. Now I'm using my Ruby Kisses in the color Cool Tan or something like that, and I'm putting it under my eyes. Hey, rub it. And inside this like little tube, it's only a little bit in there, so I was trying to stretch it. Ain't use it in a while, but I'm running out on But I really, really, really want to use that Shark Tank concealer. I heard a lot of good reviews on that concealer and the NARS concealer. I really want to use those too. And this and not a new foundation, but this foundation that I heard that everybody uses is called Lancome. I I really want to use that. Like, I really want to use that. I've seen a lot of good reviews. I ain't seen no bad reviews on that video at all. Like, your girl needs to stop being cheap and just go buy. The highest I ever spent on the foundation was $40. Yeah, $40. And it was that Clinique that Clinique foundation. But it's worth it though, for real. I think I had got a darker shade. I should have tested it before I got it. I ain't testing my foundation. Y'all don't be like me. Always test your foundation in the store. I got it from Ulta Beauty, but right here I'm just blending my concealer out. I just blend your concealer. You want to blend it a lot to make sure it won't be creasing and all that stuff. But yeah, just make sure you blend your concealer, you guys. Like, keep blending. I'm keep zooming in and out. I know y'all like, just put the camera one way. Make sure you get under your nose. Let's get it. I looked scared when I did that. Get your nose, the bridge of your nose, that little forehead. Just blend that jink out. Now I'm using the Milani contour concealer. You can tell I've been using this a lot because it keeps falling down every time I'm trying to put it on my face. I need to get a new one. That's what I need to get. Ooh. You see it keep falling. Get that side of your forehead. Get the perimeter, y'all. This what it is basically is like getting the perimeter of your face to be like a shadow, but the inside of your face to be like light. So the perimeter of your face, you want to create a shadow. Right here I'm taking my NYX HD Photo Studio Ready translucent pattern to set that concealer, to set my whole face, my whole entire face. I'm looking at it like, what in the world? But yeah, I'm setting my face with this NYX. Get under your eye. Come on. Show that. I'll set everywhere that I think and I know that it's gonna crease or end up getting oil all over my face. I'm gonna tell y'all, this powder smells so good, but this jank like set so fast. Y'all need to hurry up and just dust it off so fast. Y'all need to hurry up. I should have been did that. I shouldn't set on my face like that. This type of powder do not, the NYX, remember this, the Photo Ready NYX Studio Ready powder, do not keep it on your face, bake it on your face. Y'all be looking dusty, ashy, bashy. I would look in the camera like, please don't tell me I was going to school looking like this. Like, please see me trying to dust that jink off. I was angry when I seen that. I hope I ain't been going to school looking like that. Looking like a white donut. Oh my god. But anyway, y'all, I was using the Black Arts setting powder to set my face, to bring that face back to a golden color, because I had looked like a white donut and stuff. I was looking dusty, like I've been inside the edit for like 1,000 years. I didn't want to look like I've been in the edit for 1,000 years. I had to get that that dark setting powder to put over my face. make my face set even more. Y'all, look at me eating my cheese nips. Now y'all, I'm taking my LA Girl eyeshadow. And this eyeshadow palette is a neutral color. It's like a natural color. And it's $2, and this eyeshadow is very pigmented. Like, I'm surprised it's $2. Like, I don't know what LA Girl is doing, but they coming back to life, because it was dead for a lot of years. I guess they real serious about their products now. They see how much people was buying it. All the cheap people was buying it at the store. Well, they seen a lot of people wasn't buying it like that, but they was buying it at the same. I don't know what I'm talking. Let me just shut up. Stuff don't be making sense coming out my mouth sometimes. But yeah, y'all see me putting it into. Well, I'm using this as my transition color. This dark brown is my transition color, and I'm just swirling around. Don't put too much pressure on y'all brush, then it's gonna be like crazy. I'm not a eye person expert yet on getting there, but I'm about to take this little light brownish and put it on my lid. Ain't use nothing for my crease, so I'm just keeping it on the lid and use. Y'all, I'm taking this dollar pencil to put on my waterline to give it a little darken in my eyes. I never did this before. It's my first time doing it, and I'm kind of scared. I don't never put stuff around the bottom of my eyes. As y'all see, I got eyelashes on. It was kind of hard to apply the eyeshadow and do certain stuff. So make sure y'all don't really be having eyelashes on when y'all doing your eyeshadow. But yeah, I'm playing it. Well, I look like a rock star sometimes when I wear this. Yes, y'all need to be careful when y'all doing this. Y'all don't want to poke yourself in the eye. Y'all gotta be gentle, patient while I'm jumping up like that. But y'all gotta be gentle and patient, because y'all don't want to stab yourself in the eye. Now using this flat brush to apply some more shadow under my lower eyes. Yeah. I be looking serious when I be doing my makeup. No smiling, nothing. But yeah, you see me that I'm just doing it a little tiny bit. Not too harsh on the down there. Just slightly, little, not too much. Keep going back and forth. Ayy. Move that head, ayy, back and forth. Move that head, ayy, back and forth. Move that head, back and forth. I had posted these pictures on Instagram. Make sure y'all go like that picture on Instagram at It's Brick Glam. I'm using my Mario setting spray again to set that face, get it right, zwilly, you know, you feel me? And you know, I'm just fanning it to dry. Now I'm about to use my Ruby Kisses All Over Glow. You can get it for like $5 at the beauty store. Yeah, I'm just putting it on the half point of my cheekbones, cause that's where you're supposed to apply it. I need some other. I want to get another type of highlighter for my face. This is like a natural type of glow. I want that chrome type of glow. You feel me? Something that can blend your eyes. Well, y'all gotta put them shades on, just like the eclipse we had. Y'all had to put them shades on. Y'all gonna need that when I get my chrome highlighter. It's gonna be blinding your eyes. Okay, now I'm about to get them wipes again to wipe off. I'm using a the Milani foundation. This is my first time using it, and this is a very good foundation and good coverage and everything. I like the texture of this foundation. This texture is good, but the texture is like, it's really thick. My other foundation is like watery, but it's like liquidy. This is like a thick paste right here, and I like when it's a thick paste, you know it's a matte foundation. You know it's a matte foundation when it's thick. Like, I use one pump and it can cover up your whole face, but I had used 3 foundations, mix it. They all the same color and they all thick and they all a good type of, they both have good textures. Like, I really like them foundations. I had used the Wet n Wild and the Black Opal in Milani. But there's not no sponsor video, nothing, because you know I'm not at that point yet. I'm not at that point yet, but I'm about to be. But I was just letting y'all know that this foundation is good and it's worth the buy, and it's $10 at Target and at every other drugstore. So go pick up some Milani. And also go pick up some cheese mix. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click the notification bell below. Have a blessed night and blessed day. Thank you.